Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Marshall, Chase, Rubble, and Skye from Paw Patrol. First, let's start with Marshall. I'll draw his nose and his cute eyes just like this. Next, I'll add his eyebrows and his paw. Then, I'll draw his floppy ears. Since Marshall is a Dalmatian pup, I'll add some adorable spots on his ears like this. On his head, I'll draw his fireman's hat. Marshall is the fire pup of Paw Patrol, so he needs a fire hat to match. Now, let's move on to Chase, the second character in today's video. I'll start by drawing his two bright eyes, followed by his nose like this. Then, I'll add his happy smile and his paw. On top of his head, I'll draw a police hat with two tall ears sticking up. Chase is a German Shepherd and the brave police pup of the team. Next to Marshall, I'll draw Rubble. First, I'll sketch his nose and his kind eyes. Then, I'll add his construction hat just like this. Rubble is not only strong and always ready to help, but he's also super funny. Let's give him a cheerful smile. Finally, I'll draw his paw and his two ears. Finally, next to Chase, I'll draw Skye. Skye is a daring and talented helicopter pilot with a big heart for little animals. Let's start with her cute eyes. Draw along with me. On her head, I'll add her aviator goggles and then I'll sketch her fluffy ears. Now that we've finished drawing, it's time to color. For Marshall, I'll use red and gray to color his fireman's hat. Chase, I'll use dark blue for his police hat and a little pink for details. Oh, I almost forgot Marshall's eyes. Let's color them sky blue. For Chase's eyes, I'll use dark brown and also color the other parts of his face with cream. For Rubble, I'll use yellow to color his construction hat. Then, I'll use light brown and cream to color his face. Just follow along. For Skye, I'll use pink for her aviator goggles and her sparkling eyes. I'll use brown to color the area around her eyes and her soft ears, and I'll finish the rest of her face with cream. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing adventures. See you in the next video. Goodbye!